Kai Kai? Oh, bless you. Hi. Hi. Kai. Little superstar. You like that, huh? My little superstar. Aww.
You're being summoned to go float.
No way.
Yeah, Jacob wants you to go float with him. He got in and floated. He wants you to go float with him.